What's up, everybody? Tonight, we're gonna make a classic meatloaf. So, cheers and let's cook. I already got my oven preheating to 350 degrees, so we're gonna go ahead and put together our loaf. For our meatloaf, we are gonna go into a bowl with 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of milk. And guys, you don't have to worry about writing all this down. The full recipe will be written in the description right below the video. I have half a cup of breadcrumbs, half of a yellow onion, small diced, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, got 1 tablespoon of ketchup, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Now we're just going to mix all that up. Okay, all of our ingredients are nicely incorporated, so we're going to go ahead and plop that out onto a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. Then I'm going to form my loaf. I think that's looking good right there, so now we're going to go into our 350 degree oven until we have an internal temperature of 150 degrees. While our meatloaf is baking, we'll go ahead and put together our glaze. That is going to be 3/4 of a cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, or yellow mustard, or whichever mustard you prefer. And I got 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Just mix that together. That is ready to go, so we'll just set it aside and wait for our meatloaf to come to temp. So that took just about an hour. I believe it was exactly 55 minutes, and we are at temp. So now we're going to put our glaze on and go back into the oven under the broiler just for a couple minutes to caramelize that glaze. I broiled that for 4 minutes and then pulled it from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes. And now we are ready to slice it up and see how we did. We got an awesome meatloaf here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget that recipe, it's written in the description right below the video. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed to the channel. You just click that little picture of me in the corner. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.